Alright, my friends, inside Clever, you're going to navigate to FOSS. Make sure, remember it takes a minute, you can click My Student Page. We're going to Soils, Rocks, and Landforms. And for today, we are going to go to the streaming videos, and we are going to Mount St. Helens Impact video. Now, before we watch this, I want to just tell you a little bit about Mount St. Helens. On March 20th in 1980, a moderate, that's a 4.2 earthquake, moderate means like middle, shook Mount St. Helens. Scientists took note but became even more curious about the mountain when they noticed steam vents a week later. By the end of April, the mountain began to bulge. Scientists were using a new, supposedly very precise instrument to measure the changes in the mountain, but they just couldn't believe that the bulge was growing from 5 to 6 feet a day. These measurements were so out of the ordinary that they sent the instrument back to the factory to get fixed. It turned out the instrument was working perfectly. Magma was building up inside the mountain at a very rapid rate. The eruption of Mount St. Helens was an event scientists anticipated. That means they knew it was coming, but completely underestimated, that they didn't realize how big it was going to be. Let's watch a video in which the scientists describe what happened on May 18th, 1980. Okay, so then you're going to watch this video. And then there are some other videos here that if you want to know more about it, you can look more about it. There will be some questions after you watch this video in your Google Doc. So you might want to read your questions first before you watch this, or watch it one time and then watch it again to do your questions. For your assignment, you only have to watch this first video. That's, if you are interested in more, you can click on the links on the side and find out a few things more. But for right now, you only have to watch this video.